Folks, I want to show you a little trick I learned today from a carpet cleaner who was over here, and he does upholstery too, but he didn't have what he needed and didn't have the time. I had these two chairs that got really stained. Look at this. This is have them in an Airbnb unit, and it got really trash. But anyways, these stains are it's like a microfiber top, and these stains, I mean, they're just, I don't even know what they are, but they're pretty bad. But anyways, that's what it looks. Well, let me show you something. Here's what I just did. Okay, it looked just like that. Now my camera, I'm gonna try to do this one-handed, and I'm using a little iPhone, so it might not turn out the best, so forgive me if it doesn't, but I'm gonna show you exactly what I did to get this to look like that. And then I'm gonna come back in the morning when they're all nice and dry and show you what the final product looked like. So anyways, what this guy told me to do, and what I did, was to take a little cloth, like whatever, little washcloth. He says put your finger in it like this, and then run it under some hot water. So you're gonna get a little hot water on that. Waiting for it to get warm. There it is. So you're gonna get it like that, and then I'm gonna put just a drop of that soap on there. Kind of hard to do it while I'm holding the camera here, but anyways, sorry. Should really have a camera for this stuff. Anyways, just put a drop of soap on that. So then what you do, right, is I'm gonna start right here in the front, and he says you work this circularly and get it nice and soaked. But he says you do about a 4-inch area, 4 to 5-inch area, he says, at a time, and you just go ahead and work it, you know, around like that, and you let that soap go in there. And this is specifically for microfiber now. I don't know if this works on anything else, but anyways, look at this. I worked it in, and you can see when I just started that. And then he says just go ahead, take the rest of the towel if it's damp, or wash up it's damp, and just wipe it clean like that. Look at that little section I just did. Sorry, this lighting is probably not that great, but I mean, it was all marked up. So I'm gonna keep working on this, and I'll get back to you shortly. Show you how it's coming along. All right, guys. Sorry, it went really fast, so I didn't take another video midway. But this is the morning after, and yeah, it worked. Them deep stains, they're gone. This is just more in the fabric right there. It's not really any stain. I mean, they're like perfect, and that's just like a shadow right there, but they are literally perfect. I mean, all them dark stains that were up here, gone. So yeah, there you go. That works for like a microfiber top. This is like a microfiber material. I'm gonna say that definitely works. And one thing I don't think I mentioned in the first part of this video is on the soap that you use, just a dish soap, but something that's not a real heavy duty or abrasive or anything like that. What I used here is just right here, palm olive, and it's got a good scent to it because it's passion fruit. But yeah, you don't want anything bleach or anything like that. Yeah, so there it is, guys. You want to clean your microfiber tops on chairs or even in vehicles. I did not honestly know that this trick even existed, but
I'm very thankful for the carpet guy that came here and showed me. Alright, thanks for watching.